and welcome back to my bathroom. This ought to be fun. We are going to be coloring my hair today. I'm super excited. I am shooting on a different camera, so if this fails miserably, I'm sorry, I guess. But hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Allie, and I have ADHD. I have already sectioned out my hair and set up a few colors. Curious as to how I section my hair, I will link my hair bleaching video down below and you will see the way that I section my hair to dye it. I am going to be doing something completely different today. I have never done it before. I'm not really sure how it's gonna go. So what I'm attempting to do is each half of my head doing the opposite fade. I don't think that it's gonna work. I think it's gonna fail miserably. But I've never tried to do anything difficult to my hair, and I wanted to give it a shot.
I'm just trying not to think about it too much at this point, to be completely honest.
I don't know if it's going to turn out the way I want it to, but I will put an inspiration picture here, just so you guys can kind of see what I'm trying to go for. And we'll play it by ear, I guess. Let's get started.
As always, I am starting in the back because it sits the longest and I want it to absorb the most color. For the left side, I am trying to fade purple to red to blue, and you will see at the end how well that turned out for me, but hey, at least I tried. As I'm watching back and editing this, I am realizing that my main mistake was taking vertical sections instead of horizontal sections. So if you decide to try this out for yourself, definitely take horizontal sections so that you can lay the hair down and fade it easier. As I start the right side, my goal was to take the opposite fade, so from blue to red to purple. And again, you gotta watch till the end to see exactly how that turned out for me. As I try to create the fade, I am using my fingers and a wide tooth comb to kind of blend the colors in a more natural looking way.
So I have all the color on. I tried something different. It fails, whatever. I live with it for a few weeks and I just go over it with another color. I was kind of hoping for like a tie-dye effect, but I just don't think that I sectioned correctly, really do it precisely. But that's also why I don't normally do anything like this. I normally just slap one color on one side, another color on the other side, and call it a night. So I leave this in for a few hours, and then I'll come back, we'll wash it out, and see how bad I failed. When I do hair color and not bleaching, I will let it sit for a few hours because it is only depositing color. It is not lifting, so it is not damaging my hair in any way. And typically it's just because I end up having a more vibrant kind of turnout if I let it sit on a little bit longer. So that's just a personal preference. You don't have to leave it on your hair that long. Typically about half an hour to an hour is really all you need. But I have ADHD, so I get distracted and I just end up doing a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna wash my hair out now and then see how terrible it looks. Here is the aftermath mess of me dyeing my hair. And I'm gonna be completely honest with you, is that I am absolutely terrified to take this towel off my head because I don't really want to see how it turned out. But my whole point of showing you this is that this is still sitting here from when I was doing my hair. What's gonna end up happening is I'm gonna not clean up this mess when I actually need to, and I'm gonna end up having to throw all this color out, and it's such a waste, and I'm really sad about it. But I'm just not feeling great right now. But I'm guessing that you don't really care about that. You want to see how my hair looks. This is how I feel about trying something different. Just terrible. Terribly awful. I hate trying something different because I don't know how it's going to turn out. Guys, just lie to me, say it looks great. It looks exactly the way I wanted it to, and definitely did not do anything of what I wanted it to. I really don't like this part here where I didn't go down far enough for the blue root, and it's got like this purple bit. So I guess I'll dry it and style it and see how I feel about it then. Okay, see you in a little bit. All right, guys. Whew, this is the final look. I straightened it. It is the next day. I've slept on it. It doesn't look great, but it doesn't look terrible. So I'm just going to stick with it for a few weeks, and then I'll go back in and probably do like a purple all over. That way it evens out the tone, and then maybe I'll try a fade next time. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for going on this journey with me. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell so that way you are notified the next time we're going on an adventure. I know that I said I still have extensions to do for Hair Week, but with the upcoming holidays and everything going on, I'm super, super busy. So extensions will be coming probably next week sometime, and then after that I'm gonna take the rest of the month off, and I will be back in the new year. Follow my Snapchat, my Instagram down below. Definitely follow my craft page shop. I am working on a flash sale coming up here soon. Hopefully I will get that out in the next couple of days. That's another project that I'm working on. But I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the new year. Bye, guys.